Okay, guys, welcome everybody. I think we are about to start. Sorry for the challenge. We had a little issue with the network. The network was fucking us up, but I think it's rectified now. So I'll give the platform to Mokola for him to start the presentation right away without wasting much time. We'll continue.
Yeah, welcome everyone once again. This is SCF Super CodingFly business presentation. We are speaking live from Ghana, Accra. I welcome everyone to this presentation. This is the maiden presentation of the company, SCF. Now, in online business, in our area of business, now it is changing. We are changing to a certain trend whereby it's no more of investment third party companies, but this time a company which will be a custodian of its own products. You know, most of the businesses we have gotten ourselves involved, some are third party businesses. They will tell you, I'm trading for you, I'm doing this for you, and at the end of the day, the business will go bad. But we are reaching a point whereby we are going to a level whereby companies are being a custodian of their own product, whereby they will be accountable to whatever that they do. So now I will say that most of the coins out there is under ICO, initial coin offering, but we are moving into an era of a token era, digital asset token era, whereby ICOs the owners cannot be accountable to whatever funds they receive. But with this one, owners are accountable to whatever token that they have come out with, or they are distributing. So SCF is under STO, right? Security token offering. In security token offering, most of the security token offering, the direction we are going is that a country will accept that type of token whereby investors or the company will be liable to investors' funds. So when the company goes off, then the country which will accept will now lead the investors to get their funds back. But here is the case, the business we are doing, this is a wallet business, and then it is the first of its kind whereby it allows every investor to go out of the business at any time, at any point in time when the person enters into the business. That if you are not satisfied with the rules and the rules and regulation of the business, you can just go out with your funds being you can withdraw your funds out of the business. This is one of the good businesses we have laid our hands on. Like we started from Wood token, and then with Plus token, and now we are in SCF. The good aspect, Wood token started with $1,000 minimum, and then Plus token came in with $500 minimum, and then now we have SCF, which is coming in with $100 minimum. That means SCF is opening its doors for everyone to be part of the business. With Wood token and Plus token has been there almost 1 year and still counting. It's a business that today you can just withdraw your deposits from your wallet. It's a blockchain wallet business, and everyone here has a blockchain wallet. If you are new to cryptocurrency, then your first thing you must know is to create your wallet, your blockchain wallet. So everyone is conversant with a blockchain wallet. So this business is a type of business which is connected to blockchain. So they have done their own blockchain, they have their own token, and then they have their own exchange. What they do, I want to give you a brief of the business. What they do is an artificial. They have developed an artificial intelligence boat, arbitrage trading boat, and this arbitrage trading boat, in simple terms, in arbitrage trading, it's a trading whereby you are trading from one exchange to the other with no loss. So the meaning is that it's not like a forex. In forex trading, you can trade and you can lose all your money, but in arbitrage trading, the loss or the risk involved in trading is very minimal. It almost no loss, in a sense that you buy at one exchange at low rate and then you sell at a high rate in another exchange with a milliseconds. The trading takes a millisecond. So you can sell a huge amount of BTC, let's say 30 BTCs worth about $300,000, and you sell within per seconds to another exchange. You buy from Kraken, you sell at Binance. So the margin in Kraken, the Bitcoin price in Kraken is far different from the Bitcoin price in Binance. So it's trading from one exchange to the other. So when you're in Kraken, example, in Kraken, if in Kraken is selling Bitcoin, one Bitcoin as 4,000, and in Binance is selling Bitcoin as $4,030. Then each one Bitcoin, you are making about $30. That is the kind of direction we are going, the kind of trading we are talking about, whereby you buy at Kraken, so you can buy about 30 pieces or 100 pieces of Bitcoin, sell at Binance within a seconds with that artificial intelligence software. You sell within seconds, and then you make that margin. You go back, you buy, you sell. So it's buying and sell. So the price or the fluctuations of Bitcoin price in the coin market will not affect this kind of trading. And in the STO businesses we are doing as well, here is the case. We don't buy, the company don't allow investors to use their money to buy coins. You are not to buy coins, to own coins, and then we will be waiting for the coins to be launched. In STO business, immediately it starts, the coin is exchangeable in their exchange. Every STO business that is being launched, the coin is being exchanged from the day they are launched, the day the company is launched. So in SCF token, SCF has its own ecosystem. We have SCF wallet, SCF token, SCF exchange, SCF ATM, which is coming next month, SCF mining, and then a lot, XCF gaming. We have a lot of things concerning the ecosystem, but I'm going to talk about one of the wallet, and the business concerning with the wallet, and then the exchange, which are more easily for you to start as a beginner. That is where you can make money from. Then later on, the other technical ones will also follow. So with SCF, the full meaning of SCF is Super CodingFly, and then it's located in ZBM Mega Exchange, which is a Singaporean, which is in Singapore. It's a Singapore company. It is licensed in Singapore. SBM Mega Exchange is a sub branch of SB Exchange, and XB Exchange has about 51% stake in SBM Exchange as their sub branch. So this business already, the exchange we are dealing with is in the coin market, is doing well at the coin market, and I think as of yesterday it was on the 12th position of the exchanges. Singapore, you know, in Africa, when you talk of exchange in Africa, so far we don't have any cryptocurrency exchange that we use in Africa that is being built by an African. But this SBM exchange is in Singapore, which means for you to have an exchange, that means that the government must satisfy you before you are able to have this exchange, because it's a financial, you must go through the financial process of that country, that country's financial jurisdiction. So SBM is under Singapore and being certified by Singapore government and financial institution. So it's a worldwide exchange that we are dealing with. You can Google SBM and then read about SBM exchange and then SB exchange. Now I'll talk about the wallet. I won't talk more. I'll talk about the wallet. Quickly talk about the wallet. The wallet, this is a wallet, a blockchain technology wallet. That's a blockchain 3.0. This is what it means. Blockchain 3.0 means like our normal blockchain. But here is the case: they have the wallet is being made like a bank, your own crypto bank, which we have about 8 coins in one wallet. So if you have your Litecoin in the Litecoin wallet, you can withdraw it to Plus. You can withdraw it to SCF wallet. It's the same thing because it's a blockchain. If you have money, your Bitcoin in your blockchain, you can withdraw it to SCF wallet. So with SCF, we have about 9 coins in the wallet. This becomes your crypto bank. It becomes your crypto bank. And then SCF was started this technology from 2015, and they have been trading with arbitrage from 2015, and in this 2019 they are launching, they are going global in nature. So it's just a normal app that everyone can install onto his phone or laptop. It gives you access for you to access it even on your laptop and then on your phone. All you need is to download the app. Now, this is what they are doing. They are telling you that because there are a lot of wallets around there, and they have the arbitrage trading technology. What they are doing is that if you have any coins sitting in your wallet, a blockchain wallet, SCF wallet, blockchain wallet, now, and you have a balance more than $100, then you are entitled to earn interest on your balance, on your deposit, up to 18% a month. That is the business we are talking about. You are entitled to earn 18% from your balance. So if you have $2,000, $3,000, then based upon what you have, you are earning interest on it about 18%, up to 18%, which means you are going to earn daily income from 0.27 or 0.30 up to 0.60% daily. That is the wallet business. So what I tell people is that we have the same Coinbase. We have Coinbase wallet, we have Luno wallet, we have Spectrum wallet, we have a blockchain wallet, and you can name them. When your money is sitting there, when your coins are sitting there, they don't pay you interest. If the price goes up, fine, that is where you make something. If the price reduce, it will reduce. It's the same thing here. If the price goes up in the coin market, it will go. If it is coming down, it will come. But the added advantage to this is you are being paid daily interest on your own balance. Now, the interest you are being paid, the reason why SCF you don't buy the STO coin is that the interest you are being paid is you are being paid the SCF coins. So your daily returns are being paid in SCF, right? So you are in this business. You don't buy the coins, but you rather earn the coins. You rather earn the coins. You earn SCF coin. So now, when you earn the SCF coin, it is being exchanged in the wallet. It is an exchange on its own. So you can easily exchange it to Ethereum, withdraw it, or send it to wherever you want to send. Then you go out. Your profit is withdrawable every minute, every day. And then your deposit is also withdrawable. That the good aspect is your deposit is also withdrawable every minute, every day. So that is the investment aspect of the exchange and the wallet. Apart from them having the exchange where you can trade, it's an exchange. They have their exchange too. You can trade all the coins there. We have BTC, Ethereum, EOS, Ripple, Trons, Bitcoin Cash, Quantum, Litecoin, and the rest is being tradable in the exchange. And then because of the arbitrage trading, when you look at arbitrage trading in its nutshell, arbitrage trading, they are able to make more than 40% gains of arbitrage trading daily from any company which is doing arbitrage trading. Currently is being able to make more than 40% of the total cash they are using in trading, in arbitrage trading, because it's a risk-free trading, right? And then what it is that in the arbitrage trading, SCF company, Super CodingFly company has done this. It said, I'm going to do an affiliate program concerning the you earning with your wallet, your balance. Now what they are doing is that if you're able to introduce, like for instance, me, I've been marketing for some time. I've introduced more than 200 people to open a blockchain wallet or to download a blockchain wallet without making any single dime from blockchain. But here is the case now. I'm marketing SCF wallet, blockchain wallet, SCF blockchain technology wallet. So now the SCF says if you introduce people to download their wallet and start using their wallet, or start putting deposit into it, and then I'm going to reward you. What is the reward? The reward is you are earning 100% returns from your referrals' daily interest. So if your referral has about $2,000 and is earning $10 a day or $5 a day, you earn extra $5 to your $1 or your 0 point something dollar you are earning from that your $100 balance. If your referral decide to withdraw that is his deposit or his balance, $2,000 at his balance, when he decide to withdraw it, then you stop earning from him. When he comes back to use the wallet again, you start using it again, you start earning from him. And then you have the opportunity also to earn from second generation to 10th generation. You are going to earn 10% referral, indirect referral commission from your indirect daily income. So if your indirect is earning $2, you have about 100 people, 100 indirect people, and they are earning $2, $1, $5. $2, 10% of the $2 is 0.2. 10% of the $5 is 0.5 cents, and so on. So you are going to earn this thing daily until individual says, I'm going to withdraw my deposit. If the person withdraws his deposit, that is where you stop earning from that person. So this business is a new business. It's a direction of a business we are going, whereby investors have opportunity. They have confidence in putting their money at their own bank and earning interest, and can decide to stop or to decide to go out of the business at any time with no strings attached. When you are withdrawing your deposit, the only thing they will do is they will deduct you 1% from your deposit as their charge, which is awesome. You can decide to withdraw your profit and your deposit at any time and then move out. That is where that is the aspect I love concerning this business. The mining aspect has not come, the ATM and other things have not come, but with the wallet business, that is the good aspect of it. And then those who are depositing between $100 between $100 to $500. They are all Ethereum, 0.7 Ethereum to 3.7 Ethereum. You are earning an interest of 8%, and those who are earning for they are depositing 3.7 to 22.4 Ethereum. You are earning 12% daily on your deposit. Those who are depositing 22.4 to 224 Ethereum, you are earning about 16%. And then from 224 Ethereum to 3, that is 224 Ethereum is, I think, $3,000. From between $3,000 to $50,000 deposit, you are earning 18% daily returns. Daily 80% monthly, which is being paid daily in SCO tokens. Now they are going to issue MasterCard, and the MasterCard will be connected to your coins you have, both your SCF coins and all the coins, the Bitcoin, whereby you can withdraw it from any ATM. This is not the first company which is introducing a MasterCard to a crypto wallets, but companies are going in another direction, which means there's more, the companies are increasing the trust level and the credibility level concerning the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has another sort of name for those who don't have any idea concerning cryptocurrency education, but companies are being those who are being regulated and those who want to achieve certain heights are being they are introducing MasterCard, which is being connected to your wallet to give the company more credibility rank or credibility aspect of their business. So with SCF is also the same. By next month, we are launching our MasterCard, and then with our MasterCard, you can withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money in your wallet at any ATM with no strings attached. And then in SCF, I'll talk about the rank aspect. I'll talk about the rank aspect. We have a rank whereby you earn from your 11th generation to an infinity. I'll finish with this. The direct referral commission is that 100%. I talk about the 100% of your direct referral daily income, and then from 2nd generation to your 10th generation is 10% from your indirect referrals. Their daily income, not their deposits, but their daily income. And then from 11th generation to infinity, you are also earning, which means anybody that comes into this business after you are earning from that person. All you need is to introduce 1, 2, 3 people so that you start earning from them. They also introduce people to use that wallet, to use the wallet. The usability of the wallet is the main important aspect of the business. If they are depositing and they are using, you can deposit and then put some at your AI to generate daily income, and you can also deposit and use it as a normal wallet anytime you want to use it. So it has a two-way affair, whereby some are in the AI where it's generating daily income, and some are lying there normal where you can, if you want to withdraw now, you withdraw anytime without earning interest on it. And then those who are also using it, those who are using it, you are earning from them. You are earning from 11th generation to infinity. You can imagine my upline my upline in Plus Token has earned over $1 million within 11 to 1 year, because they are marketing the business. Right, and a lot of people, we have more than, we started with the company like as we are starting now, and in this 12 months, we have more than 2 million users for Plus Token. In the same thing, if you lost that opportunity of Plus Token, and the Plus Token is still going on. Now, this is the advantage. This is the opportunity for you. We started just in less than 72 hours. So the whole world you have the opportunity, the whole world is coming under you. So if you market this business well, then In the next 6 months to 1 year, I can confidently tell you that all those who are listening to me now, some will be earning $200,000 monthly, some will be earning $300,000, $1 million up to that period, because we have started with the company. And a lot of people are going to, it is a wallet business, so people are going to use the wallet whether you like it or not. So it is for you to start now and achieve something. So I'll talk about the rank level. We have S rank, S1, S2, S3, and SCF rank. With S1 rank, you are going to earn 6% of your total volume sales. Total volume sales is your team deposits. You calculate your team deposit. If it is $150,000 or more, or 100 people, from 100 people, if you achieve 100 people in your team with any amount, and then you have direct referral, you have referred 10 people directly, then you have achieved the S1 rank. And in the S1 rank, that 100 people you have in your team, their total sales volume, if it is $200,000, if it is $150,000, if it is $100,000, they will calculate 6% every month as commission for you. So if it is $100,000 deposits, then 6% of $100,000 is $6,000. $6,000 is good money monthly, apart from your daily, and then your daily income, and your direct referral income, and your indirect referral commission. You are going to earn monthly commission of 6%. Same thing applies to S2 rank. In S2 rank, out of your 10 direct referrals, you need to have 3 of them which will achieve an S1 rank. And these 3 of them, they should not all fall under one tree. They should not fall under one leg, like you introduce this person introduce one. Out of your, so one of your tree have 3. Listen, but if you have 2 different people who are achieving S1 rank, then at 2 different lines, or you have 3 people who are achieving S1 rank at 2 different lines, then you achieve the rank of S2. Then the total sales volume there too, you'll be calculate. They'll calculate 9% monthly for you forever. But when you reach the rank of S2, then you cease receiving S1 commissions. So now you are going to receive monthly 9% instead of 6 plus 9. No, it's going to be monthly 9%. Then the S1 will stop. Then to achieve an S3 rank, you need the same people who have achieved that rank in the S2. If you have 3 people who have achieved S2, you have 3 people who have achieved S2 rank, then you are now an S3. So 3 people out of your 10, if they are able to achieve S2 rank, you are now S3 rank. Then you stop receiving 9%, but you now start receiving 12% monthly sales commission from the deposit. And to achieve SCF rank, you need the same. You need 3 people to achieve the rank of S3. And if you have 3 people, if they achieve the rank of S3, then you are now an SCF rank. Then this is what the company is saying. The company says we are going to give you 15% of the total sales volume of your your team. But if it is more than, I think, $1 million, you are going to be paid 5% every quarter. You are going to be paid 5% every quarter. That is the rank of SCF. So this is the business I am presenting to you. The exchange has not even started. The exchange, you can go there and exchange. Those who knows how to trade crypto, you can also do trading there with a minimum fee, and then you maximize profit as an individual. And then the mining too has not started. When we accumulate certain amount of SCF, then the mining will start from there. That is the SCF business. This is an awesome business. We started from wood token and then plus token, so we have seen the trend. We have seen how good the business is. This is an opportunity for you to also take part of this business. Then I will allow everyone to ask questions. Okay, I want Osajifu to come in, someone to come in, then I will open the floor for questions.
Okay, guys, I think Makola has explained it all. And on top of it, I'll just briefly talk about the commissions and the daily earnings. Actually, I would love to do a live demonstration using my own account, okay? So I'm trying to log into my account then. I hope you can raise your hand if you see my screen, my phone screen here. Okay, now, when Mokola was speaking, the main thing he talked about is the blockchain aspect of it. This is a new technology. Frankly speaking, we don't joke with technology, especially when you are an online investor. Don't joke with technology. Technology can change your life instantly. I'm telling you guys, because some of us started way back. We were investing in third-party companies and everything. Even to the extent we were investing in people we do not know. We just go on the website, then we Google which company pays this, which company pays this, then we just invest in them. A site we do not know about, we just invest in them. But my brothers, I think this technology is going to change a lot of lives. I've seen people, especially our upline Vlad, who did a similar company in just 9 months. He made a lot of money, because it's just easy to use. You only have to download the app, of which your upline will give you the application to download. You use your upline's invitation code. All you have to do is put a minimum of $100. It's 0.7 ETH. So if you're good in crypto, you can do the 0.7 ETH. That one, the fluctuation will not affect you. But if you are doing only $100, mind you, sometimes the $100, the fluctuation might affect the $100. But when you convert it to ETH and you do 0.7, that one you are safe. So I would advise, if you are doing $100, at least put $10 or $20 on top of it to do $120. Now, between $100 and $499, it's giving you less than 8%. But if you do $500 to, I think, let me check it from here. Okay. Yeah, if you do $500 to $3,000, that one you are getting 12% monthly. And the personal 12% you are getting, you are allowed to withdraw that money together with your capital at any point in time. Mokola explained this. Now let me show you the app, then we continue to see what's happening. Immediately you open the app, you see the number of coins listed there. I think there are 9 or 10 coins here. But mind you, you cannot buy the SCF token. We only earn them. So the higher you invest, the higher SCF tokens you get. Now, when you open here, you won't see the number of SCF you earned. You won't see unless you exchange it back to SCF. So you have to go to AI bots. AI bots, that's where you let me come in here again. If you deposit the money, that does not mean you've activated your AI. The moment you deposit the money, you have to go to the AI bot, then activate your AI before it starts working. If you want to withdraw your capital and everything, then you come back to the AI bot, then put the AI bot off. You put it off. Now, under the AI, you see the total profit on top there. You see the total profit there. So under the total profit, when you click it, you see the number of SCF tokens you've earned. As at now, I think one SCF token is $1.10. So I have about 6 SCF tokens now. Imagine in I was yes, in less than 72 hours, I've made 6 SCF tokens. And with the calculations I made with Mokola some few hours ago, SCF token is going to, like, almost $500 in less than 7 months. This is a huge calculation we made. We took time in making this calculation. No one should joke with this. When we were starting the SCF, I posted something in our WhatsApp group that SCF token, even before we started, the coin was 0.1 cents. The very moment we received our first commission, the coin rose from 10 cents to 1.1, which is over 100% increase. So imagine if you are earning one SCF daily. Consider the number of coins SCF tokens you'll be earning. Now, I think our time is almost left with about 8 minutes. I'll open the floor for some few questions. Then we bring today's. I think this is the first Zoom meeting we are making, and there were a lot of hitches and some mistakes around the presentation. We promise to do a better one in the subsequent ones coming. So you can ask questions. I'm now unmuting. If you raise up your hand, I will meet you, then you ask your question. Any question? Yeah, World Bank. I've omitted, you can ask your question.
Yeah, thanks very much for this brief and comprehensive presentation. I want to know the risk level, because maybe one day if you should wake up and app is not opening, what happens?
Okay, let me come in here.
That's my first question.
Okay. Continue.
The second question.
Yeah. So secondly, the last time Wire gave me a link, but as I was trying to open it, it's not opening. I don't know whether it's on the Google Play Store, so that I can just go directly and just download.
Now, let me start with the second question. The link, it is not opening. Don't click on the link straight. Don't click on it. Just copy the link and put it in a browser, okay? Copy the link and put it in a browser. Mostly UC browser and Mozilla Firefox works better. Even now, I think the latest update with the SCF Chrome is working perfectly. Don't click on the link. Just copy and paste it in a browser and it will download.
Okay.
Then Mokola will answer the risk level.
Okay, the risk level. You know, there is a blockchain technology, right? In every business, there are risks involved. But even some of the exchanges, right? Like, let me use Binance. If today Binance goes off, even most of the investors will lose their money. But with this type of technology, you have your own private keys. So even if the system is being hacked, you have the opportunity. Not all the customers which will lose their money at their back office or their money in their wallet. The wallet belongs to you. So even if the system is being hacked, you still have access to your wallet because you have the private keys. So the private key eliminates the risks involved in this wallet business.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Can we have a PowerPoint presentation so that
exactly
you can drop your email in the chat box. I'll send you the PowerPoint presentation.
Or I'll WhatsApp you.
That's okay. I'm okay.
Okay.
Any other question? You can get your hand raised then.
Any further question?
Okay, guys, I'll let Mokola tell you some few ways, advice, and how to maximize your profit in SCF token, then we bring today's edition to an end. There's the maiden edition. I'm repeating this, maiden edition for African team members, okay?
And the whole world as well. You know, SCF launched in less than 72 hours. What I want everybody to know is that you have the advantage to make what you want to make. You have the advantage. Your destiny is in your hands now. In this business, it's very easy and simple business. I've marketed businesses for the past 10 years, but one of the easiest and the simplest business to market is this kind of trend, where investors can go out of the system. They can just exit anytime, which means you are not liable to anybody you introduce. And then the wallet is an app on your phone. So everyone, I will urge everyone to introduce as many as people into this business. And then in the next 6 months or next 1 year, then you can now look back and say that, yes, I have made $1 million from here. I've made $2 million from here. I've made $200,000 from here. But the strategy we are going with is at least everybody must be able to refer 10 direct referrals for those who have just entered in the early stage. That is the strategy, 10 direct referrals, and go out there, invite all your friends. Next week, Sunday, we'll do another Zoom meeting. We'll be upgrading our Zoom meetings, and then a lot of people will join, and then this one is going to be awesome. I wish you all the best, and I wish you happy earnings as well. Thank you very much.
The earnings will be coming any moment from now. I think in the next 1 or 2 hours. No, in the next 30 or so minutes, today's earning will drop, and we will see a lot of faces smiling, including myself, because at least I'm making some good money right now.
And if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, you must be able to join the WhatsApp group, where we also do a lot of education there. Our Roland is there to give you more information. Rita is there to give more information. Someone from Nigeria too is there to give more information. So you can join our WhatsApp group, and then you also learn from there. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.